Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. So much. You say you want a good time. Here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Strawberry shein. The best day of anyone's life. Walmart, Oxford Street, 22nd of June. I'm working late, 'cause I'm a singer. You're so cute. My finger, I twisted you on.
This is the bag they gave me. It's so cute. There's like blind boxes in there as well. So cute. There's the Sanrio one, then a Hirono, and this one is the home time one. I'm gonna open the Sanrio one first. I hope I get my melody. Oh my god. I got Kuromi, but we already have this at home because my sister has it. Actually, I don't think we have this one. I think I have one of the little twin stars. I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna open this one now. I think this one's really cute. This is cute. That's so cute. This one is the at your service one. Now I'm gonna open the Hirono one. I don't know which one I want. I think this is the new one. Oh, it's this one. Oh, the texture's a bit weird. That's cute. Hey guys, I'm home now and I lost all the footage that I filmed this morning before I left. I know I said that I was gonna make a summer outfits video, but I didn't end up doing that because making outfit videos is so time consuming and I didn't have time to plan all the outfits out, and also because I'm planning to buy more outfits for the summer before I leave in July, like near the end of July. So I'll probably make one before I leave. I'm not going to reveal where I'm going yet, but if you follow me on Instagram then you probably know already, but I can't reveal it on YouTube or TikTok. So you should follow me on Instagram if you want to keep up. Hey guys, I'm literally in bed right now. Today is my sister's birthday, so we're going to be watching Inside Out, and then we're going to be eating at Jollibee, so I'm excited for that. I did go to school today, only for like 1 hour and 45 minutes because I asked my teacher if I could leave early and he let me leave. Do you wear socks like this?
Yeah.
Oh, tame and guilty. You got me, G-U-I-L-T-Y. Oh, you got the pineapple one. Can you open this, please? There you go. Throw it there. Yeah. Hey guys, it is the next day and I'm looking kind of crusty right now. It's Friday and today I'm gonna be baking something. I'm baking crinkles, so I have most stuff here. My mom is getting the other ingredients. I'm also kind of editing the first few days of my YouTube video. But also, Cake on Europe just got announced and it's in Germany, Frankfurt. I'm so mad. I can't go to like these K-pop events if it's like in mainland Europe. If it's in London or like anywhere else in the UK, then it's fine. But it's in Germany. Germany. I don't want to go to Germany. Like, what? If TXT is there. If TXT is there. I want to go to KCON so bad, guys, but I don't think I'll have money to go. There was like rumors of it being in London, I remember. And then Paris as well. And it's in Germany. Why is everything in like Germany and Paris? Like, bro, bring stuff to London. Like, what? The only thing we had here was K-pop Lux, but it got cancelled. Like, anyways, I haven't told you guys, but I'm seeing DPR in October. I'm going by myself. First concert by myself, but I'm really, really excited. I love DPR. I couldn't go to their concert in 2022, so I'm happy that I can go now, but Dabin is not gonna be there. And he's like my favorite DPR member, but it's okay. I still love all of DPR. And I'm also gonna see Biba Doobie in November in Alexandra Palace, London. I'm going with my friend. I'm watching a video tutorial because like I'm a visual learner. Half a cup sugar. Now the brown sugar. Why is this? You know what? Never mind. This is. Now I have to mix all of this. I hope I'm doing this right. This looks fine, right? I think it is. I think it's good enough. Now I need to mix all the dry ingredients in a separate bowl. Why is like barely anything coming out? Oh my god. I may have added it into the wrong bowl. I don't even know why I reached out for this when literally the bowl I was meant to put it in is right next to me. We don't talk about that. Pretend that that never happened. Everything is like so messy right now. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This is baking powder, but like same thing, right? I forgot to add egg and vanilla extract. Guys, don't put me in the kitchen, please. What? My one does not look like that. Guys, my one does not look like this. My one is like very powdery. I literally don't know what I'm doing. So what I'm gonna do is use another egg because in the recipe it said use a large egg and I just have a regular size egg, so I'm just gonna add 2 eggs. I hope that this doesn't ruin anything. Right. Okay. I'm just gonna like swirl it around a bit. My arms hurt so much. Oh my gosh, look, it's like forming into like some doughy texture now. Guys, look. I'm actually doing it. I didn't like myself. This is fine for now. I'm just gonna add the chocolate chips now. So after I finish mixing this in together, I'll put it in the fridge and let it sit for a while. I'm not gonna bake these until like the afternoon because we have to go in like 10 minutes. It's my sister's sports day, so we're gonna watch that. So I need to just like quickly mix this and then put it in the fridge and then I'll be good. I'm done now. I'm gonna go wrap this up and put it in the fridge, then tidy everything up quickly. So hot. Jimmy. So chilly. Ew, my hands. The Kuromi collection here too.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! Happy birthday, babe. Happy birthday.
She's in her Stitch era as well. Yay! Hey guys, I'm finally gonna be opening the stuff I got from Pop Mart. My sister's having like a party right now, so if you hear background noise, it's because of that. But I am super excited for this. I'm gonna open this last. They gave this to me for free, and it's so cute. It's like a magnet. Peach Riot set. I finally found it. Everywhere I go, it's always like sold out. And this is the new one, I think. So this is like the first one, this is the second one. And yeah, I'm gonna be opening both of them. So I really want Poppy. This Poppy or like this Poppy. Anything with Poppy I want because she's my favorite. Okay, I'm really excited. Ooh, okay, first time I didn't damage a box while opening it. Okay. Let's see. Ooh! This is Gigi. This is Gigi. Ooh, this is super cool. Wait. Ooh, this is what it looks like. Comes with the chair as well. I'm not going to like put it together yet. This is the new one, I believe. It's the Punk Fairy series. Yeah. I really want this poppy or this poppy. That one, these are so cute. Okay, let's open. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, this is very pretty. This is Frankie Sunflower. This is so cute. Wow. That's so cute. Oh, it comes with a sunflower thing too and a stand. The stand is like a cat. That's so cute. This is the card for it. I love the illustration. Now I'm gonna open this one. When I went to the Pop Mart tour bus thing, I saw like literally everyone there wearing this and I was like, where? I've never seen this before. Then I saw it in the store and I was like, I kind of want one. This is the exciting macaron, the monsters. Okay, well, obviously I want the pink one, the lychee berry, so let's go. I'm so excited, oh my gosh. Wow. I don't think I got the pink one, I just saw it. Literally the packaging is so cute, like. It's so cute! It's not the pink one, but this is adorable. So cute! It's so fluffy! Oh my gosh, wait, this is so cute! It's perfect as well because it's like a cream color, so like it goes with anything. This is the card, that's so cute.